Okay, it's recording. Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, Kirsten's recording this. Say hi, Kurt. Hi, guys. I'm gonna make another burp video. It's like 4 o'clock in the morning, but whatever.
3 o'clock?
Whatever.
Or 3:30 or something. Sexy ma.
Ooh, they're really vicious tonight. No, Bubba.
Try not to inhale that.
Hello.
Burp in her face. Ready, watch, do it.
Okay.
No, burp in Honey's face. Riley was loving that.
My little puppy dog.
Burp in Honey's face. See what she does.
She's sniffing it.
And she licked you. I like your pants. Your pants are sexy.
She don't even care about the burping.
Riley. Dun dun dun. That was real monstrous.
I'm kind of sick. Sorry.
It's okay.
Where did my... Alright. Hey.
Leave a video response.
Comment me.